That is gold, that's the daily, and that's the continuous contract of the futures. And we continuously see here the support of the 50 moving average. You can see that. That's the bottom blue line that you see here. You got a whole spread here. Sorry, you see a spread of the three moving averages right here, the 21, the 10, and the 50. Well, right now it's holding, and I'm going to jump to the hourly, and it does not look to me like it's over. Yeah, I am thinking of taking this as one, and you remember the commentary that I was making on that, yeah? But if you align it with the cash, we go with this being one, whether the fourth wave ended here or here, we have this as one. The key is to see it not breaking back under 33.40. That'll be a no-no. That will mean that the retracement is just went way too far there. There's something else going on. We have to revise the wave count. And that, in my opinion, would mean extended period of correction. Yes, the correction has not terminated the long scale that we're talking here about. This is going to extend. So it's going to delay the date we begin to have this nice jump. Yeah, but I still think that the odds are not bad. The odds are not bad for this to be taken as wave one, and the correction could still be ongoing, or we're going to have some complication. If this is going to be our A, in fact, not an ABC squeeze like that, but an A, and that's going to be a B, and it's going to come down drifting like that, and the second wave will end somewhere there, yeah, and then we come back. Okay, let's have a look at the cash, and that's the hourly. So in the cash we have that clearly marked 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth ended here. We could just about work with this being an ABC. The fifth ended here. This could be an A. We are in a B. It'll dip slightly lower. Again, I don't think it's going to find necessary to go under 33.08. He's not going to find that necessary. I think that is probably quite a good support here, and you can see it on the chart. You can see that here. You can see all that. Yeah, all that. So if this is correct and this is one, and we are now in a correction, I don't see that it's going to dip badly under 33.08. And it's going to come back. Okay, so again, if the reading is correct and we have run up for that extent of time, another 2-3 days at most of corrective price action here, and I think it should start going higher. Okay, let's have a look at silver, and silver is on the hourly scale continuous contract, and this is nice. When I say it's nice, I think it has an element of clarification as far as I'm concerned in terms of the pattern, because that looks very much like an ABC structure. An ABC structure after a 5-wave run, it is bullish. It is bullish. It could dip lower, yes, fair enough, could dip lower. It might actually terminate the ABC, and then we could be ready to go higher. Now the question, going higher, what is it? Is it an A, B, C on a high scale, which is part of a bigger correction, or is it actually a 1, 2? Well, this is something I can't answer right now. I will be in a position to answer that with certain degree of confidence once we run above these levels substantially. Because if it stalls around here, what on earth is going to stop this pattern from being an A, B, C? Nothing. It could easily be an ABC, and that means going back down. Okay, so we will see as we get more price action to go by how this is going to be classified. When I say this is an ABC, it doesn't mean it necessarily going down to break this level. Yeah, it might come down mid-range and slightly lower. If it is a fourth wave, you remember that's one of the options, not a 1, 2. Yeah, if it's a fourth wave, then it'll just muddle through here, and that will be the mid-range right here. Now let's have a look at the cash. The cash is right here, and we run up on the hourly. We have 1, we have 2, We have 3, 4, 5. If that's correct, that's an ABC. Imagine the second wave is done. First wave struck right here, and that will be a tiny 1. That's tiny 2. It's going to fly. It's going to fly above this level. Okay, that happens. That is a good wave count I would work with. And I want to show you quickly the daily. And if you remember, we had this review during the week where I said we started counting from here. That gave us a reasonably clear structure where first wave ended here. And I was taking this as an ABC. Seems to me okay. That's my second wave. So I have 1, 2. Going back up, don't forget we are in a major third wave on the red scale. Yes. So that is really exciting if this is correct. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1, 2. Yeah, and we're going up in the 3 of 3. The 50 is right there to support the price action. The 200 is a little bit further away, but there were times where it was much further away, as we see here. Yes, it came back to correct, but we are not yet at such an extreme. If it is in a 1, 2, and that is to be taken as 3, and we are actually in a fourth wave situation, nevertheless, it will edge higher. We'll go about 40, 42 or something, and then we'll finish just wave 1, in my opinion, just wave 1 of 3 on this scale. So either way, it looks like silver remains strong, looking up, a bit of patience, further highs are coming.